Well, hello there, and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be sharing with you lawyers WordPress themes that you can use for your law firm. Let's get started. Themify Ultra Theme. Introducing the most powerful and flexible WordPress theme created by Themify, making it easy to create a lawyer site that is beautiful and responsive. Taking full control of the theme gives you a very unique lawyer website that you will never imagine. Ultra Theme comes with design skins and pre-made demo sites. The skin not only transforms the site's design appearance, but it can also help you set up a real simple site within minutes. With just a simple click, you can import the demo setup and include the theme setting, content, menu, widget, etc. in no time. This is a time saver for creating client sites. The theme comes with 12 bonus builder add-ons, including a countdown, a progress bar, a counter, a contact form, WooCommerce, Slider Pro, and pricing table. Create unlimited layouts using drag and drop builder, responsive layout, slider backgrounds, video backgrounds, parallax scrolling, custom styling, animations, and more. Ultra gives you full control from header to footer, either site wide or per individual page. That means that you can make the entire site share the same look and feel or create a unique look for every page. No matter what color you like, Ultra Theme comes with 15 preset colors, or you can pick the colors of your choice. The mega menu allows you to display recent posts, multi-column drop-down menus, and even the ability to add widgets into the menu. You may also toggle the visibility of the post elements such as post title, featured image, and meta content. Well, you'll agree with me that the Ultra Theme will satisfy all your lawyer firm website needs. Lawyer WordPress theme. The theme is built for legal advisor, legal officers, lawyers, attorney, barristers at law, counsel, solicitors, advocates, and other legal and law related services. And it is suitable for any kind of legal and financial activity. It has purpose-oriented design and comes with opening hours, free consultation form, precise areas, course results, and Q&A. This theme is extremely usable when it comes to zero programming skill in deployment. The theme has a sleek and easy to use drag and drop page, blog post and portfolio post slider entirely based on the popular Visual Composer. It comes in with over 1,200 premium icon set with the Revolution slider for responsive WordPress plugin. The theme comes with one-click demo content installed. The demo content and configuration are included. With just one single click, you'll have your site deployed. Among other advantages of this site, it has a Revolution slider integrated WooCommerce and it is SEO friendly. With a sleek taste of a law firm, Lawyer WordPress theme comes in handy while setting up your website. LawBusiness Attorney and Lawyer WordPress theme. LawBusiness WordPress theme is an ideal solution for a private attorney website as well as a larger law office website. It includes all the necessary functionalities to present legal services online. Custom service post types lets you provide a gallery of services in an attractive and a handy way, describing legal solution your office offers. If there is a team of lawyers working in your office, law business themes provide a great way to showcase attorney's personal profile. One of the greatest benefits of law business theme is the fantastic simplicity of website management it offers. Custom Visual Composer provides an easy content formatting within a drag and drop interface. A collection of great shortcodes allowing you to create diverse and attractive pages. To ensure your law office gets more clients, Law Business Theme has sophisticated SEO options that you can use within your pages and your post. You can add custom meta for each of the elements, validate and optimize HTML5 and CSS3 code to help you make your law officer site well crawled by search engine. If you're looking for a low website setup, then LawBusiness attorney and lawyer WordPress theme will come in handy. LawCounsel Lawyers WordPress Theme. LawCounsel was built for attorneys, legal officers, lawyers, attorney, and legal advisors. To ensure that you take advantage of the full features of the LawCounsel Lawyers WordPress theme, it comes in with demo data pre-installed, so you can navigate and deploy your website with no much time. The theme has a great documentation ensuring that you get guidance on where to click, what to deploy, and what not to interfere with. The theme comes with several homepage designs, ensuring that you get the best suit for your business. Among other features that the theme boasts around is the unlimited colors and possibilities, the mega menu option, the 25 plus pre-built page templates, advanced typography, one-click demo import, and of course, clean SEO friendly coding. LawCounsel Lawyers WordPress theme comes in handy when you're setting your law firm's website. Lawgne Law and Lawyer WordPress theme. Lawgne is an ideal solution for all types of law firm, lawyer, and attorney business WordPress theme. Lawgne is based on a deep research into the law firm and lawyer and attorney business field to deliver all needed layouts and blocks. Lawgne is a fully responsive and mobile-friendly WordPress theme. The theme includes 3 different home pages, multi-page, and 120 inner pages. So you can easily create one-page WordPress theme using Lawgne. Lawgne is perfect for law firm, law advisors, legal advisors, legal officers, among other related businesses. Lawgne is ready to use from the box. Quickly install it via FTP or WordPress, and after you activate it, you load the demo content directly. Well, who needs coding anymore? With Lawgne, Law, and Lawyer WordPress theme, you can set up with just a single click. Well, these are some of the Lawyer WordPress themes that you can use in your website. And if you like this video, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next nugget.